Welcome to our tutorial on CSS Specificity, an essential concept for web developers and designers to understand. In this video, we'll break down what specificity is and how it impacts the styling of your web pages. All right, let's dive into the coding part. I have an H1 tag and the color blue. Now I will copy-paste the title, class selector, and change the color to red and see what happens. I will move the second title selector to top and you can see the color is blue now. So how we specify the CSS matters here. Now I will copy and change the color to green. See the order. Now I will add another class called title2 and see how it works. I will add the title2 class to the middle title selector. Now the specificity of the middle one becomes 020, so it becomes the highest specificity between these three title selectors because others are 010. So now you can see the color is blue because of the specificity of the class of the H1 tag. So let's target the ID of H1 tag and see what color is being applied here. So as you can see, color changed to yellow-green because the specificity of the ID selector is higher than the class or tag selector in CSS. Now let us add an important to color property to one of the title class selectors. Since the specificity of the important is higher than the ID, class, or tag selector, the style of it gets applied to it. As you can see, the color changed to red. We don't recommend using important to your selectors unless it is required. Otherwise, stick to the specificity. We hope now you have a good understanding of CSS specificity.